Home upgrades that combine beauty, functionality, and long-term value are always in high demand. Among the many window styles available today, bay windows consistently stand out as a favorite choice. Their distinctive design, added space, and natural light benefits make them a sought-after feature. For homeowners in Coppell, bay windows have become a popular upgrade that enhances both interior comfort and exterior appeal. Expanding interior space without major renovations. One of the biggest reasons bay windows are so popular is the extra space they create. Unlike flat windows, bay windows extend outward from the wall, forming a small alcove inside the home. In Coppell homes, this added dimension can transform a standard living room or bedroom into a more open and inviting space. The projection creates room for a seating nook, decorative display area, or simply a more spacious feel. Increasing natural light. Bay windows are designed with 3 panels, one large center window flanked by 2 angled side windows. This layout allows light to enter from multiple directions. For Coppell homeowners, this means brighter interiors throughout the day. Natural light enhances mood, makes rooms feel larger, and highlights interior design features. Enhancing curb appeal. From the outside, bay windows add depth and architectural interest to a home's facade. In Coppell neighborhoods, homes with bay windows often stand out for their dimensional design and elegant appearance. This visual enhancement contributes significantly to curb appeal and overall property attractiveness. Creating a focal point inside the home, bay windows naturally become a centerpiece in any room where they're installed. Coppell homeowners often design furniture layouts around their bay window, making it the highlight of the space. Whether styled as a reading corner or framed with elegant window treatments, bay windows draw attention in a positive way. Improving views of the outdoors. The angled side panels of a bay window offer a wider field of view compared to traditional flat windows. In Coppell homes, this panoramic effect allows homeowners to enjoy backyard landscapes or neighborhood scenery more fully. The result is a stronger connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Supporting energy performance. Modern bay windows are built with energy-efficient features that help maintain indoor comfort. When professionally installed in Coppell residences, bay windows provide tight ceiling and improved insulation. Homeowners benefit from natural light without sacrificing temperature stability. Versatile design options. Bay windows are available in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes. Coppell homeowners can customize frame colors, glass options, and interior finishes to complement their home's architectural design. This flexibility makes bay windows suitable for both traditional and contemporary homes. Adding long-term value. Home improvements that enhance both function and appearance often contribute to long-term property value. In Coppell, bay windows are viewed as a desirable architectural feature. Their combination of added space, light, and visual appeal makes them an attractive upgrade for homeowners and future buyers alike. Enhancing everyday comfort. Beyond aesthetics, bay windows improve daily living. The additional space, increased light, and improved views contribute to a more comfortable and enjoyable home environment. Coppell residents often find that bay windows make living areas feel more open, welcoming, and versatile. A timeless and practical upgrade. Trends may shift over time, but bay windows remain a classic choice. For homeowners in Coppell, bay windows offer a well-rounded upgrade that enhances curb appeal, increases natural light, and expands interior space. Their timeless design and practical benefits explain why they continue to be one of the most popular window improvements for homes throughout the community.